Hey everybody! Listen, we're in this together. You want to crush those weight loss goals without feeling completely miserable? Of course you do. We're diving deep into the top 10 ways to lose weight fast. And guess what? No crazy strict diets here. We're talking about making simple changes to your lifestyle for a sustainable weight loss journey that actually works. Think of words like intermittent fasting and nutrition as your new best friends. Get ready to transform your body and your life, because we're about to unlock your weight loss potential. Let's kick things off with the easiest change you can make today. Drink more water. I know you've heard it a million times, but seriously, are you drinking enough? Water is absolutely essential for every single process in your body, including burning fat. When you're dehydrated, your metabolism slows down, making it harder to lose weight. Think of it this way. Water is like lighter fluid for your metabolism. It keeps things firing on all cylinders. Aim for at least half your body weight in ounces of water per day. That means if you weigh 150 pounds, you should be drinking 75 ounces of water daily. Not only does water help boost your metabolism, but it also helps you feel full and satisfied. That means you're less likely to reach for those sugary drinks and processed snacks. Plus, it's calorie-free. So, swap out those sodas and juices for good old H2O. Trust me, your body will thank you. Here's a pro tip. Carry a reusable water bottle with you everywhere you go. Keep it filled up and sip on it throughout the day. You can even set reminders on your phone to make sure you're staying hydrated. Remember, small changes lead to big results. So start sipping your way to a healthier, leaner you. Listen up, sleep-deprived warriors, because this one's for you. We're talking about the power of sleep. That's right, getting enough shut-eye is crucial for weight loss. When you're exhausted, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can actually lead to increased belly fat storage. Not only that, but lack of sleep throws your hunger hormones out of whack, leading to increased cravings for sugary, fatty foods. You know those late-night cravings for chips and ice cream? Yeah, those are your sleep-deprived hormones talking. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every single night. This means creating a relaxing bedtime routine, like taking a warm bath, reading a book, or meditating. Make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet to optimize those sleep cycles. Think of sleep as a natural fat burner. It's like hitting the reset button on your body, allowing it to repair and recharge. So, prioritize those Z's and wake up feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to conquer your weight loss goals. We're diving into the incredibly powerful world of mindful eating. And no, it's not some new age diet fad. It's about paying attention to your food, your body, and your hunger cues. In today's fast-paced world, we're constantly bombarded with distractions, especially during meal times. We eat on the go, in front of screens, and often without even tasting our food. This mindless eating can lead to overeating and poor food choices. When you practice mindful eating, you slow down, savor each bite, and really tune in to your body's signals of hunger and fullness. Put your fork down between bites, chew your food thoroughly, and engage all your senses: taste, smell, texture, and even sound. Think of it as a meditation with your meal. Ask yourself, am I really hungry? Or am I just eating out of boredom, stress, or habit? When you become more aware of your eating habits, you'll naturally start making healthier choices and eating less overall. It's not about deprivation, it's about creating a healthier relationship with food. We're talking about the magic of moving your body. And no, you don't need to spend hours at the gym or become a marathon runner to see results. It's about finding activities you enjoy and making them a part of your daily routine. Remember, exercise shouldn't feel like a chore. It should be a celebration of what your body can do. Start by incorporating more movement into your day. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, park farther away from the entrance, walk or bike instead of driving whenever possible. These small changes add up over time. Find an activity you genuinely enjoy, whether it's dancing, swimming, hiking, or playing a sport. When you enjoy what you're doing, you're more likely to stick with it. And don't be afraid to try something new. You might surprise yourself with how much you love Zumba or kickboxing. We're diving into the fascinating world of visual cues and how they can make or break your weight loss journey. And today's focus is on something so simple, yet incredibly effective: plate size. Believe it or not, the size of your plate can actually influence how much food you consume. When you use larger plates, you tend to serve yourself larger portions, which can lead to overeating without even realizing it. It's all about tricking your brain. When you use smaller plates, your brain perceives the same amount of food as a larger portion, making you feel more satisfied with less. Swap out those large dinner plates for smaller salad plates. It's a simple change that can make a big difference in your portion control efforts. Remember, it takes about 20 minutes for your brain to register fullness signals from your stomach. So eat slowly, savor each bite, and give your body time to catch up. We're tackling the sweet, seductive, and often sneaky culprit of weight gain sugar. It's lurking in so many processed foods and sugary drinks, wreaking havoc on our bodies. When you consume excess sugar, your body stores it as fat, leading to weight gain over time. Start by reading food labels carefully and becoming aware of hidden sugars in things like sauces, dressings, and even bread. Choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. These foods are naturally lower in sugar and packed with nutrients. Fruits, for example, contain natural sugars, but they're also loaded with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Opt for water, unsweetened tea, or sparkling water with a squeeze of lemon or lime. Remember, it takes time to break free from sugar's grip. But with each small step, you're moving closer to a healthier, more vibrant you. We're talking about the incredible power of fiber. Fiber is your weight loss best friend. It's a type of carbohydrate that your body can't digest, so it passes through your system, helping to regulate digestion, promote gut health, and keep you feeling full and satisfied. When you eat fiber-rich foods, they expand in your stomach, creating a sense of fullness that prevents overeating. Not only that, but fiber also helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing those energy crashes and sugar cravings that can sabotage your weight loss efforts. Aim to include fiber-rich foods in every meal. Think fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts. Swap out refined grains like white bread, white rice, and pasta for their whole grain counterparts. We're going green today. Green tea, that is. This magical elixir has been consumed for centuries for its numerous health benefits, including its potential to aid in weight loss. Green tea contains compounds called catechins, which have been shown to boost metabolism and increase fat burning. It's like giving your metabolism a gentle nudge in the right direction. Not only that, but green tea is also a natural diuretic, meaning it can help reduce bloating and water weight. Plus, it's a great source of antioxidants, which help protect your body from damage caused by free radicals. Start by incorporating a cup or two of green tea into your daily routine. You can enjoy it hot or cold, and even add a squeeze of lemon or a touch of honey for flavor. We're tackling a silent saboteur of weight loss stress. When you're constantly stressed, your body releases a hormone called cortisol, which can wreak havoc on your weight. Cortisol signals your body to store fat, especially around the abdominal area. Not only that, but stress can also lead to unhealthy coping mechanisms like emotional eating, cravings for sugary, fatty foods, and poor sleep habits. It's like a vicious cycle that can sabotage your weight loss efforts. The first step is to identify your stressors. What triggers those feelings of overwhelm, anxiety, or tension? Once you've identified your stressors, you can start implementing stress-reducing techniques into your daily routine. Whether it's deep breathing exercises, meditation, yoga, spending time in nature, or listening to calming music, find what works best for you and make it a non-negotiable part of your day. Get ready to unlock the power of intermittent fasting, a powerful tool for weight loss that focuses on when you eat rather than what you eat. It's not about deprivation, it's about strategic eating patterns that can help you burn fat more effectively. Intermittent fasting involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. There are various methods, but one popular approach is the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and have an 8-hour eating window. During your fasting periods, your body is forced to tap into its fat stores for energy, leading to fat loss. It can help improve insulin sensitivity, which means your body can utilize glucose more effectively, preventing blood sugar spikes and crashes. It's essential to listen to your body and consult with your doctor before starting any new eating pattern, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Congratulations on taking this incredible step towards a healthier, happier you. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. There will be ups and downs, but the key is to stay consistent, stay motivated, and never give up on yourself. If you're ready to take your fitness journey to the next level, I've got something special for you. Check out the links in the description below for exclusive access to my top-rated fitness programs, healthy recipes, and motivational support. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful and subscribe to my channel for more awesome health and wellness content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Now get out there, crush your goals, and show the world what you're truly capable of. I believe in you.